Hello, welcome to the non-stop water fountain construction video. In this part, we use a soldering iron to make a hole in the bottle cap. We put a straw in the created hole and fix it. Using thermal glue, we fix the straw so that air does not enter the bottle. We pierce the upper part of the bottle. We put hot glue around a small straw and connect it to the two bottles that we have pierced so that the two bottles are connected and the air is transferred from one bottle to the other. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and supporting me. We cut the end of a bottle that acts as a water collector. Using scissors, we cut the circumference of the bottle evenly. Add hot glue to the bottle cap. And stick the end of the bottle to the lid. Using a soldering iron, we make a hole at the end of the bottle and the lid at the same time. We connect another straw to the hole created in the bottle cap using hot glue. Using a pencil, we enlarge the upper part of the straw so that we can connect another straw. Fill the bottle with water according to the video up to the bottom of the straw. We adjust the straw so that the water falls in the created part. We pour some water into the container so that our system starts moving and you